Alright, I got a fancy remote control. Got a message from TikTok friend. I'm not sure they liked the video, but, I think film goes going so well this year, but I'm not quite sure, but I'll give it a go. I'll just let Blue Card know. He will film more stuff. Stupid remote. What the heck? Oh, I bet it comes right off. Oh, it just comes right off and the friggin' camera fall down. Stupid camera. Oh well. Oh, the focusing manual. I forgot about it. There. Alright. Hopefully they can see it. I don't know if they can see it because it's a bit dark. Prefer to get... I will replace a lighting soon, but... I'll see what's happening. This thing's broke. How cheap. But thing. Well, I don't need a whacker. It's gotta use it on its own. I got cold on cloth. Oh, I got a cough. I'm sick. That's probably why. Well, I just hit the camera. Stupid thing. I'll just use a whacker. Stupid thing. Oh, stupid camera. Stupid camera keeps falling over because the stupid mat. Gosh, stupid floor mat. Keeps dropping it. Now, what the heck? I'm gonna use this hand. Dumb thing. Alright. Cover. Let's just flies up towards the other cloth. Dumb whacker. Oh, I missed. Thing. Junk. The cloth is in the way. Oh, it broke. Alright, I'll go grab another pencil. Give me a sec. What's that purple pencil's not enough? Stupid cloth. Get caught in cloth. I'm surprised I didn't use this one pretty long. This one just broke and it's got freaking dog chew on it. Just stupid.